Hello everyone, I am Palak, currently working as investment banking intern at inSAKE Solution. Today my video presentation topic is breaking into investment banking, tips for career transition. Career in investment banking can be challenging, but with the right strategies and preparation, you can increase your chance of success. Here are some tips to help you break into investment banking. First one is acquire the necessary skills and knowledge. Gain a solid understanding of finance, accounting, economics, and financial modeling. Take relevant courses or pursue a degree in finance or a related field. Second is network extensively. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and connect with professionals in the field through platforms like LinkedIn. Building your strong network can provide valuable insights and job opportunities. Next is leverage informational interviews. Seek out professionals in investment banking and request informational interviews to gather insights, learn about different roles, and gain advice on entering the field. Next is pursue internship or entry level positions. Gain practical experience by applying for internships or entry level positions at investment banks or related financial institutions. Next is build a strong resume and cover letter. Application materials to highlight relevant skills, coursework, internships, and finance related experience. Or also emphasize teamwork, attentions to detail, and analytical skills. Next is prepare for interview. Research common interview questions, practice your responses, and be prepared to demonstrate your knowledge of finance, accounting, and industry trends. Mock interview can be beneficial for building confidence and refining your interview skills. Next is stay up to date with industry news. Subscribe to financial publications. Follow reputable websites, and engage in industry firms to stay informed about market trends, mergers, and acquisitions. And at the end, consider additional certifications. Pursue professional certifications such as CFA, FMVA certifications to enhance your credentials and demonstrate your commitment to a career in investment banking. Thank you.